Sometimes you come across beautiful butterflies. Hopefully you can see this. Hopefully he'll spread his wings here. Isn't that just beautiful? Oh, look at that. Let's see if I can get closer. Hi. See, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh. Beautiful butterfly. Oh, I'm so surprised he's staying on my finger. Hello. We're at Live Oak Park metal detecting, and I saw this beautiful butterfly, and I was able to pick him up. He let me pick him up, or she. Look. I'll turn him around. Look at that. Isn't that just absolutely gorgeous? I'm stunned that he let me touch him. Look at that. I'm going to put him down. Oh, fantastic. All right. He's right over there. Thank you, thank you. That was just beautiful. All right.